So I'm in the process of reinstalling Windows 11 Pro on my desktop computer, and I got to this screen here and I can't get past it because it wants me to connect to a network and I do not have my drivers readily available on my system. Let me show you how to do a little workaround that should help you guys out. What you want to do is hold down the Shift key and the F10 key at the same exact time and bring up the command prompt. Make sure you take the mouse and you click inside there so you have the cursor selected in there so you can type. And what you need to type in here is the letters OOBE, and then what you want to do is you want a backwards slash, and then you just want to type bypass NRO, and then go ahead and hit enter. That's going to restart that screen for us, but in a moment I'll show you it will have another link down in the lower right corner there so you can click past it. Go ahead and select what applies to you. But now we are back at let's connect you to a network, and we now have an option down here that says I don't have internet. So I am going to go ahead and select that. Now you can just name your device and finish your installation. But if this video was helpful, come back, give it a like, share it, or consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.